Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, so make sure you hit that notification bell. And also make sure you turn on your notifications because I don't want you to miss a new video from me. In today's video, I am bringing you a wig install. This is going to be my first wig install that I'm showing you. So this will be my first wig installation. I purchased this wig from no other than I am a Chelsie Jenea. Yes. So I purchased this wig, I think it was Sunday, November the 4th, November the 5th, one of those Sundays, probably November the 5th. Let me check my phone so I can be sure of the dates. Hold on. So there is some shedding of the hair already. And yeah, so there it is. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Let me put it up. So that is the amount of shedding. Let me go mix up my little stuff, my little concoction, where I can bleach it. And, you know, we got to get it a little bit. We're not going to get it this light, no. Maybe a brown. And I'll come back when I have it. You want to see it on? So this is how I look. Yeah. Ooh. Girl. Okay. Okay, so, ooh, wow. This is it before me dyeing it. Ooh, let me show you the back. So, just right about there. It's really long, and we are going to transform this into a color of my liking. Now, I wonder if I should, should I keep this center part? I rarely wear my hair in the center part because I think my face, it's this black, jet black. I haven't had jet black hair in, oh gosh, long time. I don't know if I should keep it. What do you think? Should I keep it with the part right here? And then, it's pretty hair though. Look at that. Oh, I just love it. Let's get to dyeing. Oh, it's such a pretty texture. I don't know what type of hair this is. It feels so soft, so luxurious. Ooh. Oh my God, I don't know what kind of texture this is. I don't know. I like it. Okay, be back. This is what we're looking at right now. Thus far. Yeah. So I bleached it. And that's what I did. I just bleached it. That's it. There's the color we got going. This is the finished look. Let me know what you think about it. I did keep the part. I think that's it. Here it is. I think it came out fine. I think so. I mean, I might lighten it up some more, knowing me, but as of right now, comment below, let me know what you think. Got a little dimension, color dimension going on. This is only bleach, that's it, nothing else. That's all I have for today. That is my wig install that I purchased from I Am Chelsie Jenea. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, drop them down in the comment section below. Make sure if you like plus size try-on hauls, subscribe to my channel. If you like Chelsie Jenea, if you are a subscriber to I Am Chelsie, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you, yes you, in my next video. Bye-bye.